Just bought myself a Nintendo Switch with all that money. I'll probably post later. I got the game, screen protector, and let's start. Let's first open it. If I can open it. Okay, yeah, hold on. I'll come back when it's open. Alright, I got it, guys. It is the neon one, and here it is. Wow, this is small. When I mean small, I mean, like, dang, it is. If I can, like, literally, it's smaller than my hand. Oof. Now let's put that aside. And here are the Joy-Cons. Like, these are so small I can cup them in my hand. Weird. Feel good though. And then here's the other one. Alright, feel good. So then we're gonna open this. And then here we go, we got the how to use it. In the middle we got the thing you attach it to. So if you know you're not used to it, you could just play it like a controller. Set that down too. Let's see. We got the HDMI cord and the AC adapter to plug up. And then finally, well, not finally, wait. Oh yeah, the wrist straps. Oh, here you go, both of them. And finally, yep, finally the dock. Let's get this out. So the dock is where you put the Switch in to put it up on the TV to broadcast it. So here's the dock, the inside. I got a screen protector right here because I heard that it can scratch up the screen a whole lot. So then we open this. This is where you put the AC adapter and all that stuff in there. And we can probably go ahead and set this up. And let's go. Alright, so I have just applied the screen protector and the system. So we're gonna go ahead and turn it on. Yep, here it goes. Sorry about the quality, it's Android, so. Oh. Well, let's see. Let's see what happens. Ready? Go ahead. Ooh, a little snap. Put this one on. You guys don't know how excited I am. Oh. English. The Americas. Accept. Next. Hold on, I'll be back when this is done. Alright. So, X, would you like to play on a larger screen? Sure. So then press the buttons on the back. Ooh. And you slip right off. And then it says, so let's just press next. Next. I already did that. Alright, so it asks us to put it inside there. So let's first change the TV. Let's see, HDMI 1. Okay, so I just entered King David. There's my icon, and I just put it up. 724. And yeah, seems nice. And I could just put a game in. Let me go ahead and do that. I have got Super Mario Odyssey. As you see, here's a little thing. If I can get up, there you go. See, that small chip. Yep. So let's go ahead and enter this inside.